Myself Shivam Mishra. I am the marketing manager of Agua Healthcare. Basically, Agua Healthcare is a company which invented world's cheapest, smallest, at most advanced ventilator. So basically, the invention happened with two of the guys. One is from that AIMS. He is the neurosurgery professor in AIMS Delhi, and second one is robotic scientist. So they invented India's first made in India ventilator. Okay, so the quality about this ventilator, the beauty about this ventilator is that like it has all the modes. The price segment is very low in comparison to other ventilators. The price is one fifth of the standard ventilator. And if I talk about the functionality, it is much better than those ventilators. It can ventilate all sort of patients in India. If I talk about, we have been installed more than 400 units, and in those private hospital, government hospitals, individual. So the main focus of our invention was like government hospital. There were a lot of patients; those were hospital on bed just because of the ventilator support. So now we are able to send them back to their home, and the bed would be empty, and a new patient can come over there and can join the bed. So that's the main thing. It is, if I talk about the government sector, it is of 3 year old. We are in M since 3 years, and in commercial sector we are since 1.5 year. Okay, in Expo we are since 1 year. Last year we participated in Jaipur. Since then we are continuously participating. Yeah, we are getting good response. That's why we are continually participating in the expo and all.